And it could be another blow to the prosecution in the Michael Astorga murder trial. A DNA expert questions the way the case was handled.
Good afternoon, I'm Kim VALLEZ. A DNA expert today criticized investigators who worked on the 2006 murder case of Bernalillo County Sheriff's Deputy James McGrain Jr. The expert said they didn't do enough tests on the suspected killer's pickup. News 13's Maria Medina is live at District Court with the latest on the Michael Astorga murder trial.
And Kim, Michael Astorga's pickup truck was the last vehicle Deputy McGrain pulled over before he was murdered. Today, a DNA expert testified investigators should have tested the truck more. Dr. Michael Spence, who's testifying for the defense, told jurors investigators never collected McGrain's DNA to compare to tests taken from Astorga's truck. Investigators say Deputy McGrain pulled Astorga over on a Tijeras highway 4 years ago and shot him. Tests for DNA were taken from the steering wheel, dashboard, passenger door, and passenger handle. Now, even though those tests show DNA from Astorga, his friend, and 2 unknown people on and in the truck, McGrain's DNA was never found. Earlier today, Daniel Frank Lyon also took the stand. During cross-examination, the DA hammered at Lyon about why he only recently came forward as Astorga's alibi. Lyon and his wife testified they didn't know they were alibis because they thought McGrain was murdered before dawn. They claim they just learned a few months ago McGrain was shot just before 1 in the morning when they say Astorga was with them at a friend's Albuquerque home.
It was then that you learned it happened at 12:44.
Yes, ma'am, that's exactly when it happened.
And what was your response to that?
Man, it was hard. It was hard. I just can't believe it. I still am in shock over it. I don't know how you get over something like that. All that time I knew and I didn't know.
And Yolanda Seiss was the last person to take the stand before court was dismissed today. She owned the home where the Lyons and Astorga claimed they were at the time of the murder. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Maria. Now, Astorga is also expected to take the stand in his own defense. His attorney says that will likely be tomorrow.